Oh, man. Look at him smiling. So we've got another slap fight. This time it's from a Russian prison, by the looks of it. This guy's called Wagner. Look at the size of him, man. Oh! Got his ear. Just imagine that force. This guy's called the Dumpling, who's taking the show right now. Apparently he's a professional, whatever that means. He's saying there's a foul as well. I think he got... He's saying sorry. I think he got his ear. Go on, a bit of sportsmanship right there. Well, that's smelling salts they just did. Go on, Wagner. Oh my god. How much would someone have to pay you to get slapped by that guy? It's like he barely felt it as well. What they're saying now, ear again. Look at him doing sniffing salts. Who do you think is going to win, chat? How many? Oh my lord!
Не, он нормально его ударил. No.
Okay.
Does anybody else tense their neck up when they're watching these? Damn. Yo, Reese, thank you for the follow. Oh, man.
Okay.
He was shaking after that one. He's still standing. Look at this shake now. Nah. Yeah. Go on. Oh, that wobbled him. That wobbled him.
Okay.
So whose idea was it to film this in a prison? You get the entire audience just to wear those lovely orange suits.
Классные у нас врачи, да? You okay, и ушла. You okay, и ушла.
I think it's okay.
Если что, зеленка там.
Back to the salts, man. Can't imagine they help that much. Oh! Almost went through the table. Get a bit of medical attention. What, he slapped him in the neck? How did that happen? Must have hit his neck. Oh. What was that? That seemed a little bit too forward on his face there. What did you shout?
Крайний удар типа делает и все. Да.
Brazil. Is that what he's saying?
Okay.
Didn't like that. I won't be doing that. What is going on? This is the craziest one I've ever seen. Didn't even move! Didn't even move! Yo, John, thank you for the follow.
Ну что, теперь у нас надо объявить победителя.
There's the money. There's the £20. $20 you win for this.
Ничья?
Да, они били одинаково.
Поделим тогда, да?
It's not worth it, is it? Definitely not worth it.
Пополам. 50-50.
What are they doing?
Окей?
Okay.
I guess it's a draw. They could have kept going. Well, that one was nuts. If you guys enjoyed this, we're going to be doing more reaction videos to crazy. So hit that follow button, hit the like, and hit the share.